Girl, where have you been? What's going on? We haven't seen you in forever. I know, right? Woo, I tell you. Hi, guys. This is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, oh my goodness, guys, you have no idea how much I love you all so very much. I truly appreciate you. So, guys, today I am here to say I am back. I know I have been gone for months and months and months. And that has been not by my own wanting, but by necessity. So I wanted to just come back on to do a quick little I'm back video before I hop right into doing some things. And some things are going to be a little bit different. So I wanted to just share with you guys kind of what's been going on with me a little bit, because most of it is still kind of ongoing. So I don't want to go into a whole lot of detail. But if you guys remember in January, I did post a picture saying that my family all had COVID. And so that was kind of tough. Addison got really sick, ended up going to the hospital. Of course, I was sick. My husband was sick. We all were very sick. We did get over that, but I think after having COVID, I didn't realize that some things were kind of brewing within me that I wasn't aware about. So after having COVID, I realized that I didn't ever really get better or start to feel 100% or back to myself. I did get better as it relates to the illness of COVID, but I still had a lot of lingering effects that I thought were associated with COVID. There is something called long COVID. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that term. I will include a definition here at the bottom, but basically it is when the symptoms of COVID last a long term. So it's long, L-O-N-G, COVID. So I thought maybe I was dealing with long COVID. Well, so I kind of was just dealing with the symptoms and not really doing much about it until I really got to a place where I felt like I couldn't do anything but do my job, deal with my family, and then go to bed. It was like basically all of the energy was totally zapped out of me. Like just talking for a long period was exhausting. Just getting up, doing many of the just usual things was exhausting. So keeping the house clean, exhausting. Like doing videos, exhausting. Everything just was completely exhausting. Just dealing with my husband and my son was exhausting. Like dealing with my family, exhausting. It took all of my energy just to get dressed to go to church on Sunday. And then afterwards, I came home and would get in the bed. So after a few months of going through this, I started thinking, okay, I started having some other symptoms, and I thought, okay, I need to go to the doctor because I'm starting to feel worse. Like not worse like COVID worse, but just worse in other ways. Like I felt like my heart was racing all the time. I felt like jittery. I felt anxious. I noticed my hair coming out. You guys can see I've gotten a haircut. I will include in here a picture of how my hair was. My hair was like basically to my bra length, and I had to just recently this past weekend get it cut to my shoulders because it was basically ate out. I mean, it literally looks like something was just chomping at my hair from the ends up, and it was just literally jagged out. It was just a mess. My stylist was like, "Oh my God, like what happened to your hair since the last time I saw you?" And I was like, "What do you mean?" Because I wasn't looking at the back of my hair. I didn't know, and I just been pretty much wearing it back in a ponytail since the last time I went and got a silk press. And so she took pictures of my hair that I'll show you guys, like my before and then my most recent, and you'll see how my hair is severely damaged. So, and also I noticed in that time I gained a significant amount of weight. So I didn't notice this until my most recent doctor's appointment when my doctor was talking to me about it, and she noticed a trend upward in my weight. And so she noticed, like, from late October my weight was one number, and then most recently my weight is 25 pounds heavier. So I've essentially gained 25 pounds in maybe right about 5 months, maybe a little more, 5 months. Anyway, in 5 months, 25 pounds, my hair's falling out. I'm extremely exhausted. I don't know what's wrong with me. So I ended up going to the doctor because I thought maybe it was my hormones. And, I was like, okay, I got to get my weight under control. We need to find out, am I perimenopausal? Like, am I going to be going through menopause soon? Is that why my weight is out of control? Is that why I'm feeling all kinds of weird and crazy and just exhausted and can't do anything, and just really not feeling like myself, like feeling like just a shell of who I am? I don't have the desire to do all the things that I love, like making YouTube videos and decorating my home. My house is like not decorated at all. Honestly, guys, I still have Christmas trees up in the entryway and upstairs. I did take down the other ones, and I just ran out of energy. Like, I couldn't do it. We got COVID, and then from there in January, and then from there I just couldn't do it. So anyway, I wanted to come on to just let you guys know that I am still here. God is still good, and you all know He is always in control. He has been putting the right people in place, because I did go to an appointment with this one doctor that I just met, and in conversation with him about something completely different, he recognized something that's going on with me, and he basically was like, you need to go to this type of doctor to be seen immediately. So basically I went to this weight management doctor because I was like, okay, I got to get my weight under control to find out what's going on. My regular primary care doctor was like, oh, your lab work looks good. I don't know what it is, so just come back in a few weeks and we'll monitor your blood pressure, things like that. So I was like, okay, so I got to get my weight under control. So I went to a weight management doctor who's a medical doctor, not some of those other people that I know are out there that are doing weight management, but they're not, they may be nurse practitioners or something like that, but they're not medical doctors. So I went to an actual medical doctor with a large medical facility here in the city, and he identified something and was like, I need you to follow up on this. I think this is what's going on, and this could be the reason why you're having all these symptoms, and that, you're feeling the way that you're feeling, and that's why your weight is going basically out of control too. Because if you get that under control, then maybe everything else will fall back into place. So that's where I am now. I'm in the process of getting seen by the specialist that he's recommending. So I'm basically on a healthy journey. I'm trying to find out, basically health finding journey, finding out what's exactly going on with me, and then getting the treatment that's needed so that we can get things rectified. So I wanted to say in this video also, guys, that as women, especially women over 40, it is imperative that we take care of our health. It's easy for us to take care of our husbands, our children, our parents. We take care of everyone else, and we will put ourselves aside so that we can do that. But we have to make ourselves a priority, because if you're not at your best, you can't do your best for others. And I've found that firsthand to be so. So I just wanted to say that to you guys. I was talking to another girlfriend who was also explaining that she has delayed some care for herself, and now she's starting to have some symptoms. And I just thought that I should come on here and express to you guys how important it is to, when you start feeling something's not right or you're not feeling like yourself, it is important to look into it quickly, not to delay, because things generally don't just get better on their own. Like, sometimes it does, right? But generally it doesn't just get better on its own. You have to get attention, and sometimes that medical attention is what you need in order to get better. So with that being said, I am planning to get back to posting videos as much as I can. Again, I'm on like all this medicine right now, and my symptoms have not resolved. So still, I'm tired a lot. I feel tired now just doing this video, and we're only 10 minutes in. But I am going to try to at least share with you guys some things that I'm doing. That when I did go see the weight management doctor, he did give me a like scheduled meal plan on things that I should eat and how I should eat that could help in healing my gut and things like that. So I will share with you guys some things I'm doing right now. It's all experimental for me, so I can't necessarily tell you, oh, this worked, that worked, but you can just go along with me to see what I'm doing, and we'll figure it out together if it works. And then once we're on the other side of this, then I can share with you guys what actually worked and how we got through it. But first and foremost, we're going to put God first in everything, because I know that He is the key, the answer, and He will heal my body. So, again, I just wanted to take a minute to come on and say to you guys, I missed you so much. I am still here. I do still love decorating, and I still do want to get back to it. I might do a little something maybe by July for Christmas in July, guys. I just honestly can't say that I might do anything otherwise. I do have some footage filmed from Christmas and before we got sick in January that I will share with you guys. I will try to take the time to do the editing on it, but I just want to share with you guys some things. I'll probably be doing like shorts to just share with you like some foods that I'm eating, or I'm going to try to incorporate walking. The doctor wants me to incorporate walking in small spurts, like 10 minutes every 2 hours. And so I'm like, okay, I can probably do 10 minutes every 2 hours. So even if it's just walking around in my backyard, if I want to get outside, or just on the treadmill for 10 minutes so that I can get some exercise in. So guys, I hope that you will continue to be patient with me. And let me say thank you so much to all of you who have reached out to me on Instagram, like send me DMs, checking on me. It just made tears come to my eyes to see how many of you all reached out to say, Kenya, where are you? How are you? We're praying for you. I just was really moved by that. I hadn't been here on YouTube or on Instagram in months, and so I just checked. I just got on there one day and checked, and I saw all the messages, and I was like, oh my goodness, which also prompted me to get on here and just say to you guys how much I truly love you all, and I truly appreciate all of your support. And I hope that we'll continue on this journey together. And let me know in the comments if you guys are going through anything yourself. If you need prayer, then leave that in the comments. I am praying for that anyone might need healing or deliverance or whatever you're needing from God. He knows. So if you're just wanting to put a prayer request out there, then feel free to do so. And I will, and my husband and my family will pray for you, and you guys continue to pray for us. Alrighty guys, so I hope to see you on the next video. I hope that, again, if you are new here, you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. If you love home decor and all things in between, then you are in the right place. I have lots of playlists. I have hundreds and hundreds of videos for you to enjoy if those are things that you're interested in. And I will be putting out new content as soon as possible. Alrighty guys, I look forward to seeing you soon. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.